Internationalism. Internationalism refers to the belief or practice of promoting cooperation, understanding, and unity among nations. It emphasizes the importance of global interdependence and the idea that nations should work together to address common challenges and achieve shared goals. In simpler terms, internationalism encourages nations to think beyond their own borders and consider the well-being of the global community. Examples of internationalism can be seen in various aspects of society, including politics, economics, and culture. Here are a few examples. 1. Political internationalism. The United Nations, UN. The UN is an international organization that was established with the goal of promoting peace, security, and cooperation among member countries. It serves as a platform for dialogue and collaboration on global issues such as human rights, climate change, and conflict resolution. Diplomatic relations. Countries maintain diplomatic relations with each other through embassies and consulates, which facilitate communication and cooperation on matters of mutual interest. This allows nations to work together on issues such as trade, security, and cultural exchange. 2. Economic internationalism. Global trade. International trade involves the exchange of goods and services between countries. It promotes economic growth and development by allowing nations to specialize in producing what they are most efficient at and import goods they need. Organizations like the World Trade Organization, WTO, help regulate and facilitate international trade. Foreign direct investment, FDI. FDI occurs when a company from one country invests in another country. This helps create jobs, transfer technology, and stimulate economic growth. Multinational corporations often engage in FDI, contributing to the interconnectedness of economies worldwide. 3. Cultural internationalism. Cross-cultural exchange. Cultural internationalism promotes the sharing of ideas, traditions, and artistic expressions between different nations. This can happen through international festivals, art exhibitions, music concerts, and cultural exchange programs. Global sports events. Events like the Olympics and the FIFA World Cup bring together athletes and spectators from around the world. These events foster a sense of unity and provide an opportunity for individuals to learn about different cultures. Overall, internationalism recognizes the importance of global cooperation and understanding in addressing global challenges and promoting mutual prosperity. It encourages nations to work together and embrace diversity for the betterment of humanity as a whole.